how to radiate your feminine energy, how to literally walk into a room and people stop and stare at you. I'm going to show you how. Straight up, this starts with your ability to surrender, your ability to align with the qualities of surrender, release, letting go, and change. Think about that. Get your journals out and write those qualities down. Change, letting go, release, surrender. Write those words down. Take a look at them and ask yourself, am I good at these things? Am I good at these things? If we've not met, my name is Joss of Wild Womb. I help people connect to their bodies, feel more confidence and joy in their bodies. I'm so excited to share this with you. It's honestly changed my life. You're looking in your journal maybe at these qualities, this release, change, letting go, surrender. And maybe you are looking at that and thinking, shit, I'm actually not really good at that. That was my truth for many years. I was really, really bad at letting go, like the worst ever. I clung on to everything, including partners, jobs, homes. I'm still working on it, but I'm aware of it, which is like the healing. So is that you? Are you good at change? Can you let go of things? Can you release? You know, even like thought patterns, like maybe you have like a negative belief pattern that's not serving you, but you keep telling yourself this stuff. So that is the first step to radiating your feminine energy, is really checking in with yourself. Do I align with the qualities of feminine energy? Okay? So when you think of feminine energy, it's very closely linked to the water element. And what is water? It is flow, it is release, it is always changing. This is what feminine energy is. And this is literally flowing through your pelvic region, through your womb space, your sacral chakra. It's so beautiful. But the problem is a lot of us, most of us, are just simply disconnected from this space. Because we're not shown how to connect to this. We don't even know the qualities of this space. We don't know the magic within us. We're sold a really, really boring, lame story that, like, you know, our wombs are annoying, they're a hassle, you know, our periods suck, menopause sucks, like all this stuff about us is like such a burden. But the truth is like there's a lot of magic and power within you. Okay? So if you're someone who's like, okay, I want to radiate my feminine energy, this is your starting point, is to think about these qualities, notice how they feel in your body when you say them. You know, when I say change, if you're like, oof, just be present with that with compassion and notice how you feel. And start to invite those qualities into your life by meditating with them, by saying them out loud, by dancing with them. You know, how does change, how does movement, how does letting go dance? Just fall in love with these words. When I started this journey of knowing like, okay, I really want to feel my feminine energy because I know it's going to help me feel more happy about myself, connected and confident, I started super small with womb meditations and womb yoga. Okay, and this is your starting point. If you go to a yoga space or even online, actually you don't see these styles of yoga because yoga was designed for the male body. So you might be like, how do I access this? But that's what Wild Womb does. It's like all practices that are about feminine energy, about the sacral chakra, about self-compassion. So you can look below the video and there's loads of free resources for you. So you can start it right now. Accountability and community is a huge part to feeling the transformation within. If you want community, if you want support, I'm here for you. We have a weekly meditation series. We do this all together, and it's only 30 minutes a week, and you can join us anytime. Okay, let's get back into this. You want to walk into a room and you want to look like you're just radiating your feminine energy. You are so beautiful and you are so confident. Trust that it has nothing to do with your age, your looks, your weight, none of that matters. This is about radiating an energy within, and it is much stronger than any makeup or hairdo or outfit can do. Going to have to make a promise to yourself to show up for yourself every single day, even if it's just for 5 minutes, to access your mind, body, and your spirit. Picture yourself for even 5 minutes a day or, 3 times a week. You sit down, you go into your little sacred space in your home that's quiet, where you can tune inwards, and you take 5 or 10 minutes, bring your hands to your womb, and you practice some womb meditations and some womb yoga. Womb yoga is just practices that are quite focused on the pelvic region, and they're focused on the energies of self-compassion, of surrender. It's a very intuitive style of yoga. It's all about like trusting yourself instead of being like commanded, like lift your arms now, hold for 10 seconds, you know, like that kind of yoga. It's more like, what do you feel? What do you want to do next? Like, how do you want to move your body? Can you listen to your body and move? It's like the best style of yoga ever, and it's for everyone. It's for beginners, it's for experienced people, it doesn't matter. So if you can do this, which of course you can be that person who walks into a room and literally radiates their feminine energy. People feel it. Like, you have an electromagnetic field. I don't know how far it radiates. I think it's like 3 meters. People literally, this isn't just like hocus pocus, woo woo. People can feel your energy, and if you work on yourself every day, you tap into the space within you that houses your feminine energy, your sacral chakra, your womb. It starts to radiate out and people feel it. All you gotta do is show up for yourself every day. Where your awareness goes, your energy flows. So if you send your awareness into your womb, to your sacral chakra, where this sacred feminine energy lives, creative sexual energy, it will move, it will flow, it will radiate. I promise you. This is how energy works. It's not that hard. It's just that we can get really lazy. I say this about myself as well. So that's why I think the community aspect is super, super important. Because, like, you know, when you're sitting at home alone, it's like, I kind of just want to watch Netflix. I don't want to, like, do my ritual. I want to scroll through TikTok. So if you sense that, like, yeah, I think I know I can do this, but I just want some accountability, join our weekly meditations or reach out to me. I do one-on-one sessions as well with people from around the world. You don't have to do any of this alone. Start now. Start looking in your journal at those words you wrote down: surrender, release, letting go, change, and just start to check in, like, how can I invite more of this energy into my life? How can I surrender more? How can I let go? Even surrendering into your feelings, you know? Less resisting and blocking, more allowing and more flow. When you feel angry, when you feel jealous, when you feel upset, surrender into those feelings with compassion instead of avoiding them. All of this is going to radiate your feminine energy. And I'll stop there because I could literally go on forever. I have a whole course on this, like a 10-week course. It is so vast. It is so beautiful. You can learn this for the rest of your life. But this is the starting point. So thank you for listening, and I hope to connect with you